In this video, we will be multiplying fractions by using what I call the old school method. Now, if you read that fancy definition, it basically just means to multiply, we're going to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. So let's look at the first one, 1/4 times 3/5. So straight across the top, 1 times 3 will give me 3, and 4 times 5 on the bottom will give me 20. So let's look at the second one. Straight across the top, I would get 2, and on the bottom, I would get tenths, which I could then reduce to 1/5. Now, out of those two, 1 and 2, do any of those have a shortcut? Yeah, number 2 has a shortcut. What is that shortcut? Well, the shortcut is that we can cancel out. The key to canceling out is you can only cancel numbers that are on different floors. So here is the first floor, and here is the second floor. So they have to be on different floors to cancel out. So those 2's, one's on the first floor, one's on the second, they cancel out, so I could go straight to 1/5. Let's look at number 3. I'm going to do some canceling first. So I'm going to cancel 5 into 15 goes 3 times. Some teachers like to have a 1 on the bottom, so as a teacher you'll have to decide if you want your students to do that. 2 goes into 4 2 times. You could say 2 goes into 2 1 time. So the answer will be 6/1, which reduces to 6. Now look at number 4. Here's a common mistake that a lot of students make. Those 2 3's, you'll see a lot of students cancel out those 3's that are on the top. But remember, we can't because they're on the same floor. So we're just going to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. Now finally, the last one, we're going to multiply some mixed numbers. So the very first thing we'll do is change them to improper fractions. So the first 3 1/3 is now 10/3, and 4 1/2 is now 9/12. So multiply straight across the top, and you get 90. Straight across the bottom is 6, which you could then reduce. Now you could have canceled things out. 3 into 9 is 3 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and you get 15 that way.